The circus is in town. Who knows what's in there? You got your tickets?
Yes.
Et c'est réussi! Bravo, ça tombé!
It is a beautiful day over here in Provence. What is all that banging? Let's see what Noah's up to. I think he's trying to fix the doors. What are you doing? Look at you. I heard all that noise. You think you got the door right?
I hope so. I'm gonna find out.
What'd you have to do? Just sand it down on the bottom?
Sand it on the edge and sand the sides and everything down.
I mean, we're trying to hold on to these doors because wood here is very expensive. And Noah wants...
Grinding this off. It's old school.
You want to make use of all your new tools too.
Well, it's an old door. Why would you waste this beautiful door if all we're trying to do is make it into a distressed looking door?
I agree.
Okay, so then why are we saying, can we just get new doors?
Because I don't actually really like the look of these doors at all.
What's wrong with
I don't know, they just bother me. There's something about them that just looks, they don't look old, they look dingy. We can't seem to fit this door in the frame. Close it and let's see again. It's just, there's that gap right there. So we can't quite figure that out.
What gap are you talking about?
On the top of
There's no gap at the top, dear. I love that you're obsessed with the top gap. There's no gap. The problem is this door frame is not letting the door close, and it's going exactly as it went last time. I don't understand.
To figure that out.
All right, I've got my new saw, cordless, which I was looking for, and we're gonna cut this. So let's shorten up this door. Pretty good. Remember, we're going for rustic, so I'm gonna make this door look very old and worn. So I think we're gonna have a nice effect here. Although there, I should make sure and go the opposite way so I don't get the broken edge like I did. My protege left me, so I'm on my own. Ay, ay, ay. Wow, I can't believe that wasn't that easy. Oh, it's so close, but still, it's just a little snug. Little hair, little hair. You can use pencil. That way you know once you start sanding that it goes away and you've sanded in that area. Where else? Here. Here and here, right down to the end. It's not much. Center looks great. That all looks good. Here and there. Top. Yeah, that's it. Alright, let's take it up and do it again. Man, I'll tell you, the yellow flowers are really popping. Coming into bloom. I got more sanding to do up here, so let's start doing it. I've marked the areas where there's areas that need to be sanded to make this door fit in this jam. I'm going to sand it off now. think that's it. Let's go check it out.
Come on, let's do this one last time. We should be done now. My protege is back. Here we go. Oh, like a glove?
Perfect.
Little stick.
No, that's perfect.
No, at the bottom. Just a little stick at the bottom. Everywhere else is perfect. That's great. All right, another project done. Okay, we're gonna run this cable, these wires through the walls. See how it turns out. They're gonna go through these openings, and they're gonna pull them through. I'm curious to see how this works.
Now it's time for Bruno and Claude to make sense of Noah's handwritten lighting map.
The exterior. This is 14.
Numéro 14.
C'est la switch.
Hello, Gilbert. So I was literally only gone for like a half hour, and Philippe has done all of this already. All of the dead stuff. We have to clear out everything that's dead, just to make it more clean. For this one time, Philippe is showing me exactly what to do so I can do it myself from now on. We spent like an hour going through everything in the garden and telling me exactly what I need to clean up, how to clean it up, what to take up, what to trim, how to trim it, like these here, how I can put them up, what's a weed, what's not a weed. Sometimes things look like flowers, but they're really weeds. But I like that. I like keeping things like these here. I like that. I like that. Whatever they're called. I don't even know what they're called. Dandelions. I love it.
All right, got these lights. I'm gonna string these up here because these flowers are starting to bloom, and I want to get this looking really nice. I think I'm gonna put this on the flamingos. Okay, so this is the last place that I'm putting up some of these cheap lights. Makes a nice little walkway here, little lighted area. If this works properly, these will be the best ones. The other ones I'm not so sure about, but these, I could see us getting more of these if these work. Trying to get as close to the stone wall as possible so that nobody steps on it. Pretty seamless. And I hope that works. That'll look really nice. Come right down this walkway, around the corner, all lit up. And I'll do it on both sides. That'll be the charger, the solar power. And yeah, I need to get one more setup. But maybe just one, we'll see. Looks nice though. Let's see how it works out. All right, finished up, raked it all up. I think it looks pretty nice. All right, so here's the walkway all done with our lights right there. Nice walkway through here and upstairs. So let's hope these lights work today. We'll see tonight.
It doesn't get any Frenchier than this. Look at these beautiful cheeses I got at the market. The jambon. They gave me some nice mustard, and I am about to feast. All local fresh goat cheese straight from the market.
All right, let's see what Philippe did. He went home, came back from lunch, and he's got everything done. Let's see. Oh yeah, did a nice job. Real nice job. Beautiful. Now I got to get rid of all of this trash. Take that. They said I can take that to the dump and they'll get rid of it for free. So that's good. Yeah, beautiful, Philippe. Beautiful. All right, that's nice. And then over here, he cut down the tree, made the tree flat for me here so that I can put a nice piece. I think I'm going to get a nice piece of metal, actually, a nice tray, and I'll screw it down. And then that, once I get my pétanque court built over here, this will be where I could put drinks, I could put pétanque balls, I can put all kinds of stuff on this tray that'll sit on this tree. And I think that'll be a nice little accoutrement.
It's time for Victor now. It's the end of the day. Victor came over to look at the facade of the house and all of the other projects we have for him. And I'm so happy for him because he left his job and now he's his own boss.
Hello, my name is Victor.
He has his own company. And we said to him, hey, you know what? I think you should just come work for us because he is definitely our favorite. He's a hard worker and he does an amazing job with everything, the stonework, the woodwork. So he's going to put stone on the facade. The same stone we're using for the interior, it's going to be on the outside. I'm so excited for that. He's going to do that in May. And the other projects we have are the vanity in the bathroom for Noah, a bed, the pizza oven, lots to do.
Oh, hey, j'ai vu que t'as fait ça. Les vidéos YouTube. Moi, it's perfect.
Hey.
Yes, j'ai vu aussi.
Now, look, go in the light. Let's come in the light.
It's very good.
Victor, tu penses un peu plus blanchir?
No.
No?
No, it's perfect.
Okay.
Victor, you see?
The stone is perfect.
Je pense,
Yes.
I wonder, the old beam for the front, if I make like this.
Le poutre pour...
The big beam, the grand beam.
Il a dit...
I make it,
The exactly color.
no, I sand. You see, it's sand.
Le ponçage.
Il aimerait poncer le poutre pour la façade. Mais non,
Mais
j'aime...
elle est déjà poncée la poutre que je t'ai fait.
It's already polished, he said.
No,
Si.
no.
The
Not
two-
like
two-
this.
Two face.
But not like this.
Pas comme ça.
Tu pourras pas.
He can't, you can't.
It's color.
Oui.
The unique.
Not the color, not the color. Come up to the top.
So this is our beam for the facade here.
See, it's rough.
I like that, j'aime ça.
No.
Façon, the exterior.
Oui.
6 months
Oui.
and gray.
Oui.
And no color exactly comme ça. The 6 months.
Oui.
The sun.
Oui,
The sun.
the sun and the moon.
D'accord.
The gris. Ça veut dire gris. Comme ça.
Gray.
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 Ah oui.
Yes.
Ah.
Yes. The conservation, the color, interior.
Ah.
Because no sun, no
Ouais.
moon, no la pluie là.
Ah, d'accord.
And I like this so much better. J'aime bien. Moi, ça, non. C'est trop neuf. It's too
Ouais,
neuf.
c'est neuf parce que ça, cette tranche là, elle est là.
Oui.
Yeah, but it looks
Et-
too new
et
for me.
c'est coupé dans la matière.
Ok, d'accord.
Mais the color, the 6 months, and the gray.
Ah, perfect. That's what I want.
It's no definitive color. Le gray c'est gras.
We have to see if you put oil on here.
De là, the color in the change,
Oui.
the chocolate, black.
Oh, j'adore ça. C'est très ancien, oui.
Dark, un peu, ça fait foncé.
Maybe too dark.
De la couleur.
That's for the linseed oil.
De
Put
la
that.
couleur caramel, tu vas passer à une couleur chocolat à croquer, comme on dit. Parce que c'est un corps gras.
Let's live with this for a while and see what we think.
Dans le chêne,
On peut juste laisser comme ça?
yes, oui. Dans le chêne, il y a du tanin. Et le tanin, quand tu mets un corps gras, il fonce.
Ok. On laisse comme ça. Tu aimes le sol? We bought this floor from Victor's shop in Lourdes. All the tile.
is 50. 50, and then you get 10 centimeters more for the door to crack.
We're here in Noah's bathroom discussing what we can do for his vanity. Victor wants to build something out of old wood. We'll put his stone vessel sink on top, and underneath the window where we're going to have the washing machine, it's the only place we can put it, Noah came up with the idea of covering the washing machine with these old antique shutters. And he's going to work with Victor to build something so the shutters make a door. That way it gives it a chance to breathe. Love it.
Il y a ça aussi.
Well, that's the end of a very productive day. The sun was shiny. We're going to finish up with Victor over here. Thanks everyone for watching and subscribing. A bientôt.